Well, this isn't Valorant, this isn't CSGO. This is Patrick.
What's up? How y'all doing? We're back! Feels like it's been forever since I built a computer. Even though it's been longer for Jackson. It's been like 2 weeks for him. And for me, it's only been like a week. But we're back, ladies and gentlemen, and we're building.
So you guys, we're building I don't know if Matt said it, but 2 PCs today. This one, which is this bad boy? This one's gonna be 825. And it's for PC Bros. I'm curious right now to see, I wonder how, is the website like just like blank, or is it like, is PC Bros dead?
PC Bros dead? I don't know. LTX screwdriver. Yeah, we built our own and we didn't bring them in. So we actually, at LTX, towards the end, we were actually able to build our own screwdrivers. And we did some cool color schemes. I did like a purple and yellow one.
Yours and Zach's was just amazing looking.
Yeah, I just...
McAllister's was cool, kind of like Nickelodeon.
Yeah, McAllister with Nickelodeon vibes with his screwdriver. But yeah, shout out to LTX. It was a fun time. I will say one thing. Linus made a lot of money on merch.
Like yeah, so I would say he's usually pretty transparent about it, but I thought it was funny because we got to talk to him a little bit, and I had mentioned to him, I was like, man, I heard today alone, which was Sunday, that you guys had 2,600 people build screwdrivers, and so they were 120 Canadian a piece, which I think is roughly like maybe like 100
Yeah, it's like 100, yeah.
After tax. And so, yeah, when you do the math there, it's like 360,000 Canadian, and that's just the ones that you could build, but they also had them for sale.
And then short and stubbies.
They had the short and stubbies too, which, guys, holy crap. The credit card was just like screaming at me.
Give me the short and stubby.
Yeah, but Matt says
I'm gonna ask for one. If you guys are watching,
what would you do if we asked for one? They're like, do we know you all?
Did you all come to LTX? I don't know you.
Pay that much and you have to build it. Well, that's like
it's the experience. Yeah. It's fun because they have all like the tools for you to put it all together. It's not really like building. It's really just like a bunch of presses and stuff.
Yeah, that's really it's all presses.
It's pretty cool.
They should have let us actually forge the bits ourselves.
Yeah. But no, they did an office tour and they were like, we only expected like 15 to 20 people to show up, but there was like 60 to 70 people in total.
Well, they should have known if they invited creators.
That's what I was saying. I was like, I feel like they should have known if you're gonna buy creators who do this for a living, they would do anything to go see like what the best is doing.
Yeah. It was cool though because it was just like even you know with the amount of revenue that they turn and everything and the amount of employees they have, it was cool to see that like it's kind of like a glimpse in the future where you're like, oh, it's still not as professional as you would think it have to
There's
be.
There's a lot of stuff everywhere.
Which was nice, because you're just like, oh, we don't ever have to really change. Guys, you excited? We're building the giveaway PC today.
Yes. And
the giveaway is literally this Friday.
It's Friday,
we
guys.
just got back, and we're getting just roped into it, okay?
It's giveaway time. What's up, man? Jedi? What'd you guys during the week after LTX? Well, that's a good question. Jackson ended up driving back, because he drove to LTX, so that's a long journey to drive back. I went through all over Canada. I don't even want to touch a plane or a bus in a long time because I basically travel all over Canada. I went with my girlfriend to Calgary, and then we went to Banff. It was a lot of buses, a lot of airplanes, and I don't want to touch one for a while.
Are you just driving for your next trip?
Yeah. That's gonna be the first.
You probably won't miss driving.
Yeah, that's the first Tesla road trip, so we'll see how that goes.
You should do some little vlogs when you
I think I'm gonna do because I want to do an updated, probably this week or next week, an updated DIY video on my Tesla. Then I'll probably do some videos of like road tripping in one, how the experience goes, pros and cons.
Well, the videos do so good too.
Banff is awesome. The views are incredible. I loved it. That was
took some background pictures for real.
Definitely the best part of the trip. I enjoyed that. I wish honestly, Calgary was cool, but after the first day, we kind of ran out of stuff to do because it's just like a normal city. There's really not a ton. I mean, we just kind of went to restaurants and stuff. But if I were to do it all over again, I would have just spent most of the time in Banff.
How'd the trip to LTX go? Well, Cole, it was really good. We did a lot of stuff. I mean, all of us had our own like side trips. I drove the whole thing, so that was basically my side trip. But everybody else went to other scattered parts of Canada afterwards. But hey, the actual event, when anyone's asked me what's my favorite part, because obviously the drive wasn't that fun, it's definitely the event.
The event was cool.
That was just so cool meeting like people that I probably thought I'd never get to meet, you know? Which is funny because like, I don't know, meeting like Linus I feel like was better than meeting like Brad Pitt or some shit like that. Like
I'd
rather meet him than like a lot of the gigantic movie stars and stuff.
Yeah. But yeah, also guys, if you all want to, I don't know how many people are close to the area, but August 25th we will be at the Micro Center in Indianapolis.
Yes. Shout out big names going.
Well, shout out to Jay. Jay's 2 cents. He went from LTX. He went from LTX straight to Indianapolis.
Yeah, it was him and Austin Evans, right?
Yeah. So yeah, they've had some big creators up there doing videos, and we'll be up there on the 25th doing 2 videos, but you all can come and say hi. And also, one of the videos, the wheel spin one, if you all are there and want to participate somehow, we can find a way to get you all in.
I was saying, I gotta give a shout out to Jay too, because holy crap, that dude, like, so I was kind of going around, like, if you guys saw the Instagram, I was trying to get pictures with, like, just as many creators as I could that, like, I've always looked up to, and, I honestly don't watch a ton of Jay's 2 cents videos these days, because I just don't watch a lot of YouTube, but, dude, that dude can talk.
He can talk.
He is a good talker, and I did not expect it.
He talks like crazy.
I mean, all the other guys we met were just kind of like, oh, hey, nice to meet you. All right, see ya. But Jay just was like, cars.
He'll
talk about cars.
He'll just talk. No.
Will this go up top, you think?
We could try it.
There was a lot of people there. I'm sure there were people that we probably talked to that we didn't even realize.
One person I did get to see that I'm kind of sad, I get to see David. We never ran into him because I know Sunday, I think he was only there Sunday, and we were there for a short day on Sunday because we were in pretty much most of the day on Saturday, and then Sunday we were kind of there for like an hour or two. Because convention's cool. It's really like a lot of it for us. Like you go through the convention pretty quickly if you're not there doing like land stuff, but most of it was just us talking to people. So we really were just like going back in the creator room talking to people and just hanging out. Then once we didn't really see anyone we hadn't talked to before, we're just like, okay, so now what? So we went to the aquarium.
Hey Top Dog, if we do another we're talking about doing the next like event / car show, trying to get some creators there and stuff like that, would you come?
Would you be there, Top Dog?
It wouldn't be for like another month or two probably. So
yeah, I would say like end of September or early October would probably be good.
Yeah, I could see either one of those actually would be decent. Did we meet Greg in UFD Tech? UFD 100%.
Greg we saw in passing, but I don't think I ever got a chance to say hi to him. I don't think I ever said hi to him. I just saw him in passing. Yeah. But yeah, UFD we hung out with a lot. Yeah. Man's always on his stream grind. You
guys probably, if you were watching his stream, you probably saw us a lot. I remember every 5 minutes I'd be like, hey, are you still streaming?
Yes, there will be a video today. We're uploading Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, we'll be getting back on track.
Yeah, pretty soon you guys will probably see some like 5-6 video a week.
We've got a lot booked. Yeah, they're gonna be on their jobs.
So don't worry, guys. It'll be very back to normal.
Thank you all for watching all the videos we did post though, because we did not notice much of a drop off with us not uploading, because we uploaded some really good videos that performed above average. So thank you all for watching those.
Thank you. Yeah, and then DIY, pretty much same boat. I think DIY actually got uploaded to more while we were gone. Funny.
I like the Toasty clips that Jonah uploaded.
What did
he said, "They made me stream while I'm gone" is the title of the video, and it's just him playing Valorant.
Yeah, Toasty clips it'll be back to normal as well. If anybody watches like the little recaps of the streams and other stuff like that, that'll be there.
Yeah, guys, we got some fun videos coming to the channel. We have another classic video where we bought a laptop that was marketed as gaming on eBay, and it's clearly not a gaming laptop. So we're gonna be taking a look at that bad boy and seeing why the hell is it a gaming laptop. And then we got a really good deal on a 3060 Ti, but it was a C grade graphics card. I think we paid like $169 or $179 for a 3060 Ti, but it was rated as C grade. It says it works, but it's in poor condition. And we have not opened that yet, so we're gonna do an unboxing of that, get our reactions and benchmark it and all that sort of fun stuff. So that's gonna be a fun, different video. And then we have this really tiny Ryzen mini PC that fits in the palm of your hand. It's Ryzen 7. It looks really crazy. We also bought a PC from Discord. Yeah, you heard that right. We bought a PC from Discord, so that's going to be a video. What else? I'm looking at the shelf. We got another keyboard roundup under 50 bucks. We also have a $169 nice gaming PC. That one's going to be fun. That one is using the WX4100, which we talked about on stream a couple times. We're going to be doing a Optiplex build with that. And then we bought more PC parts from Temu. We can't build a PC yet on Temu because they don't sell CPUs, motherboards, or graphics cards. the main components. But we bought just a bunch of random like PC hardware from Temu, and we're gonna unbox it and just test it all and see if any of it's any good. And then also we got the traditional like PC build guide coming up. We have a couple Amazon PCs, you know, got the usual content rotation, and we're gonna have a lot of uploads. So we're going to be really ramping things up here. I was in your stream on Friday and was looking to try and speak to one of you guys. I really want to build a custom gaming PC, stream PC, and want to pay what it takes. I just don't want to get something that's overkill that I'll never use. I do. Where are you located? Are you in the US? You're in Florida. Perfect. So what you want to do is go to pcbros.tech, our PC website. So I want to do !PCBros. What you'll do on that website is you're going to fill out a custom build consultation. Basically, you pay $10 and we go through and build a PC to fit your needs. And of course, the bot is broken. Beautiful. Just type the URL for me, please. Anyways, don't let that be a representation of our professionalism, okay? PCBros.tech. Go to the website, the bot's not working, and someone's asking for a PC, and I told them to use it, and it's not working. So I was like, don't let that be the standard of business for PC Bros. But go fill out a build consultation, pay the $10, and we will build a PC to your needs.
A PC of your dream.
Finally got to make it to a stream. How you guys today? What's up, Luna? We are finally back streaming. It's been a bit.
Yes. I got a couple questions, or like, hi, Toasty Bros, and then they would ask me like a question. I'm like, guys, I do not know how to answer that. I'm like, you have to wait till Monday.
He's like, say that question for Monday. I know somebody in here is like, I want a PC, and I was trying to get in touch with you all last week, and I was like, sorry, we weren't here. Smile. We're back though, I swear. You can fill out a build consultation because we don't have anything that high end right now. You can pay $10 and basically say what you're looking for, and we can do a custom build for you and give you the quote on what it costs to do a system at that budget.
Yep, and then if you end up having us build it, we do refund that $10
towards the cost. Yeah.
Yeah, for our H1M, which is a pretty unique little kit.
All right, gamers. Thank you very much.
We got meeting time, guys. Meeting time.
Meet and greet. Well, when Calcer gets here, which means we can go to Starbucks first.
All right, guys, we're rating Slack Jeff. We hope you all enjoyed today's stream. Don't forget, we're back to normal, guys. The Friday stream is the giveaway, by the way. It's coming up very quickly.
It's already coming up.
This Friday.
Close.
Yep. All right, guys. See you all later.